Ireland, an island like no other, that spoils us with rolling hills, hidden beaches, towering cliffs, and every colour under the rainbow. A place where even in our modern world, nature still rules king. But what if that was to change? Currently, we are putting our home in danger with some of the highest carbon emissions in Europe. And the motor industry has traditionally played a large part in that. Fortunately, a new dawn is on the horizon. New technology is making it possible for us to continue our fast-paced lives and simultaneously reduce our environmental impact. E-mobility and sustainable transport options are continuously evolving, becoming smarter, smoother, and more connected every day. But there is no one-size-fits-all, and with so many options now available, it might seem hard to keep up. That's why we are launching Project Green, a sustainable transport initiative to help every motorist find their fit. Because if we can all make some small changes, together we can go a long way. Project Green, steering to a greener future.